Good morning. Today we will begin our geography lesson, the Earth in the solar system. The sun shines during the day. In the night, the sky is dotted with numerous bodies that shine and twinkle. The moon also appears at night. All these bodies appears to us hanging up in space, which the ancient people called heaven. That is why all these objects, the sun, the moon, and stars, are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. Our own earth is also a part of this system, and thus it is also called a heavenly body or a celestial body. Galaxy. Most stars exist in clusters of millions or billions called galaxies. Galaxies are made up of stars, dust, and gases held together by gravity. There are many billions of galaxies in the universe of different shapes and sizes. The Earth is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Constellations. Sometimes, when viewed from the Earth, group of stars in the sky appear to form certain fixed patterns. Such a group of stars is called a constellation. Constellations are usually named after the figures that they are thought to resemble. Orion, the hunter, Ursa Major, the bear, Leo, the lion, etc. are some examples. Stars, the twinkling spots of light that we see in the sky at night, are called stars. There are billions and billions of stars in the universe. Stars are self luminous celestial bodies. They are huge hot matter that emit heat and light. The sun is the star nearest to the earth. Stars are formed from huge clouds of dust and gas. The solar system, the sun, and the various objects that move around it, like the planets, their satellites, moons, asteroids, comets, and meteors, together form the solar system. Solar means the sun. The sun occupies the central position in the solar system, and all the other celestial bodies in the system revolve around it. The sun. The sun is the star that lies at the center of the solar system. It holds together the celestial objects in the solar system. The sun is made up of burning gases, mainly helium and hydrogen. Within the sun, a type of chemical reaction called nuclear fusion takes place, which produces an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This is the primary source of heat and light for all the other bodies in the solar system. Planets. Planets are large round bodies that move in fixed path around the sun. These paths are known as orbits. One complete orbit around the sun is called a revolution. The time taken by a planet to make a full revolution around the sun is called a year. Planets also rotate or spin around their axis as they travel around the sun. This is known as rotation. The time taken by a planet to complete a rotation is called a day. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The Earth. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. When viewed from space, the Earth looks like a blue ball. This is because about two-thirds of the Earth is covered with the water of oceans and seas. For this reason, the Earth is also called the blue planet. Human beings, planets, and animals are able to live on the Earth because it supports life. How is it able to do so? The Earth contains water, which is essential for life. The distance between the Sun and the Earth is such that it gets the right amount of heat from the Sun to support life. The Earth atmosphere contains oxygen, which is necessary for life. The Moon, the celestial objects that revolve around planets, are called their natural satellites. They are also called the moons of the planets. The moon that we see in the sky is the only satellite of the Earth. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. The time taken for the revolution of the moon around the Earth is 27 days and 8 hours. On 29th July 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to land on the moon. Satellites, celestial bodies that move around the planets, are called satellites, while the moon is the only satellite of the Earth. Other planets have more number of satellites. Jupiter 63, Saturn 56, Uranus 27, Neptune 13, and Mars 2. Like the planets, the satellites have no light of their own, and they too reflect the light they receive from the sun. Today, human made satellites are being launched into space by various countries. They study weather conditions, developed telecommunications, take photographs, map large area of the earth, and conduct experiments in space. Asteroids. An asteroid is a large rock in outer space. Some are very big in size, whereas others are as small as a grain of sand. It is believed that the asteroids were formed from the leftover matter after the solar system was formed. These bodies also revolve around the sun because of the gravitational pull. The main asteroid belt is located between the planets Mars and Jupiter, and it is estimated that it contains thousands of asteroids. Meteorites. Meteors are chunks of rocks or metal that fall from space. When these meteors enter the Earth's atmosphere, they usually burn out, but sometimes they do not burn completely and survive. In such cases, they fall on the Earth. These are known as meteorites. They are also known as shooting stars. This is because they look like bright stars falling from the sky. Many meteorites have been found on Earth. They are named after the place they were found. Comets. Comets are frozen balls of dust, water, and rock. They have tails made of gas and dust particles. Their orbits around the sun are very long. This is why we get to see them rarely. The famous Halley's Comet appears once in 76 years and was last seen in 1986. Activity to do: draw a neat diagram of the solar system and name each planet.